And
they grew
if you
from
speak to the BJP on that,
3.7% to come to nearly 12%.
But actually, also the Lok Sabha that Preeti is talking about, there was a big X factor because BJP fought alone and still took 11%, and Annamalai was one of the big
no,
X
but can I
factors
also say that if you talk to the BJP about this, they say the Lok Sabha election and the fact that you saw a rise in the vote share, they say was clearly a vote for Modi. Right? And so that can't be something that... and it's always the case. You can't compare it to this election.
So, no, you can't. Nobody's saying you can compare. All I'm just saying is why the couple of things I find very interesting. So even if it was a vote for Modi, then is it that there is a section which now is okay where you look at religion because the politics of the BJP and the Prime Minister is embedded in Hindutva and religion as
Even
well.
for that matter, how did Modi break through the ban?
Yeah,
So okay, so then I think...
even if you do take that chunk wherein you're talking about religion and politics being mixing, Tamil Nadu or most of the southern states have always been on a part where religion and politics subconsciously, very consciously rather, do not mix with each other. And that's
Tamil Nadu is one of this, it's not all your southern
No,
states.
I'll tell you why
Karnataka is very different. Andhra Pradesh is very different.
No, and
Kerala
she's
is
making
very
that
different.
distinction also.
I'm making
why?
that distinction primarily of what Tamil Nadu is today. And then, of course, my last X factor, which I think will be very interesting, is because I was looking at our C voter because we keep collating data.
Correct.
And our last C voter poll seemed to suggest that with all the hype of Vijay, it's about, the poll seemed to suggest it's at best where he stands right now. Multiple polls is 15%. So, how much is that? And I think that is something that...
Well, I think that's the elephant.
Factor. By the
Akshita, I
way,
think-
in the roundtable, you can look out for a detailed discussion that we'll be having on the Vijay factor.